What is right relationship? The secret is this: to relate with each other in such a way that you and the other object or other man improves in his life. That's all. I must live in a way that you improve. You must live in a way that I improve. And if I improve, you improve, we improve. And if we improve, we can do greater things than you can do alone by yourself. So right human relationship is to create a symphony within yourself, first within yourself, because you within yourself must be really together so that you become a stone building the greater building. You must be together. Isn't that beautiful? Have a project together. Every group, girlfriend, boyfriend, family, sisters, brothers, this or that, who are living together, wife and husband, they must have a united project. What are the projects? Maybe they must paint together. Weekly, maybe 1 hour, they sit together and paint a sculpture together. I make this nose, you make the eyes. So that there is one project together. Or writing books, creating movies, whatever you like. There must be a project to your house because it is the future project, which is a vision, brings the family together. Those families who don't have project, they don't stay too long with each other. We saw this. See, 50 years I'm working in this field, I'm seeing very clearly what's happening. It's a science. You watch them and learn them. That this family was doing good, and suddenly they start to disintegrate. What is it? They had everything except a project. It's the project that really unites their higher self. Project is their advanced vision for their life. They can have spiritual adventures, building, music, reading, writing, ceremony, ritual, whatever it is. They must do something at least once a week together. Not only entertainment. Entertainment is good, going movie is good, but it's not a project. You must have a project. I saved many, many families' life, creating for them projects. And they suddenly realized that they are so beautiful. For example, a family came, I told them they are going to work on mosaics. They start to buy little mosaics and build different pictures, this or that. They changed their bedroom, and the restaurant, kitchen. They work it together. And he told me, he said, Torkom, my wife is so genius. She knows how to do things. And the wife says, he is so clever, Torkom. I love him more. Well, that's how you bring people together. Start painting together. Together. Make a project. And you will see the change. See, if you have any little feelings against each other, that is separating you a little from here, there, immediately engage yourselves with a project. And you will see the change. Sometimes human soul craves to come closer to each other, but there is no ways and means. See, sexual relationship doesn't satisfy the soul so much. Going parties does not satisfy. The greatest communication between the souls starts when they both engaged for one beautiful project. See, the greater lovers are those people that they sacrifice their lives for a great idea or ideal. Even if they are not married, everlasting love abides between them. if both of them direct their lives to a great project. So think about it.